It's my second FabFitFun Pup Box. So if you want to see what this is filled with, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This guy is Bandit with his adorable little hoodie. Look at that. We can't figure out what he's supposed to be. If it's supposed to be a dinosaur or an alligator, we're not really sure, but he's so cute in it. And I have my second FabFitFun Pup Box. So I got it, they offered it in the fall season for the very first time, and he loved it, and all of the treats in there he was able to eat. So I was pretty happy with that as well. All right, so let's see what's in this one. All right, so we have some Buddy Butter, rough raw peanut butter for dogs, and we have this little activity mat that I think you put it on. So how exciting is that? And this is just peanuts and honey, so I'm pretty sure this is something that he can have. All right, he loved it. I gave him just the tiniest of squeezes. Next, we have some turkey tidbits. These are made with grilled turkey and apples, two things he can have. And it looks like you can have everything in here. Isn't that great? Take a clue box. You can have everything in here. Whoa, that's a finger. I'd like to keep that. Loves them. Yeah, you love it, huh? We have some Charlie Bear grain-free crunch treats for dogs. And these are peanut butter and banana flavor. And let's see, peas, chickpeas. Yeah. Yeah, you can have everything in here too. These are perfect for you. Let me show them first, okay? It looks like a little tiny cookie. It looks like a little tiny cookie. Yes, things you can eat. Oh my goodness. FabFitFun knows just what you love. Yes, we got some toys in here too then. Are you ready for this? Oh boy. Are you ready for this? We've got some nice toys. All right, we have a latte fun. You want a latte fun? No, you want the food, huh? You're like, no, just give me the food. So this is the Pup Cup Cafe, and it is by Play, Pet, Lifestyle, and You. And so cute. And I think I get the small medium. So they do have a large, extra large, which would just be the toy size. But he kind of likes a bigger toy. And then we have some macarons, and look at that. And we have 3 macarons in there. There you go. And that's nice because they can be separated and be smaller toys. Then we have this Bico Strong and Bouncy Natural Rubber Dog Ball. And I wonder if you put treats in there or what you do with that, or if you just let it be like that. Ooh, it stinks though. It's definitely got to be washed. Yep, the hole is for treats, so I definitely want to wash that before I put any treats in there, but he's going to love that ball. Next, we have some avocado toast there. This is by Be The Change. All right, and that's going to squeak and do all of the things. And he's going to have all of the things. We have some aloe and oatmeal conditioner. Oh, nice, because he's stinky and he needs a bath. You want to see what else is in here for you? We've got some shampoo to go with it, because it's always good to have that shampoo and conditioner together. All right, and the last thing in here, because everybody in my house needs their own, we have a little mini unhide for him. So this is the Puppo in charcoal gray, and he loves to just curl up in blanket, so he's gonna love this. And I mean, what a score to get an unhide in one of these boxes. And so that's a perfect size for my little guy. I don't know if you had a larger dog, if you got a larger size. So they were, I think, the same price though, whether you got this size or the larger size box. So I'm not sure if this would have been larger. All right, well, I don't know what's Bandit's favorite in here, but mine is certainly that there are dog treats that he can eat. Bandit is on a low calcium oxalate diet because he has calcium oxalate stones. So he can't eat a lot of the treats, things that come in the bark box. He's not able to eat, so I'm probably gonna have to cancel that, which is too bad because I like the toys, and I wish they had just a toy box, but they don't. So that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Be kind to each other, and hopefully I'll see you soon.